Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is taking a little bit of a tumble. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at $69,404. We did wick down to that $68,000 price level to start off the month of April. We've had our monthly candle close for March. Now we'll take a look at that very shortly. Bitcoin dominance trading at 52.34%. When it excludes stablecoins, we have made an increase. We are trading at 54.34%, about a 0.3% increase over the past week or so. We are seeing this Bitcoin dominance start to rally. This is what I've been talking about, guys. I've been expecting Bitcoin dominance to rally into and around the halving, whether it's from Bitcoin making large moves to the upside or capitulations to the downside. You're going to see Bitcoin garner some of that liquidity. 57%, 60% maybe is on the table, but I think 57% is an appropriate level to be looking at around the halving, a month or so after, just around the halving, which is, guys, 20 days away. 19 days. It's April 1st today. Speaking of that, it is April Fool's Day, everybody. Stay vigilant looking at the internet. I would say maybe don't even look at the internet today because a lot of the stuff you're going to see is going to throw you for a loop. Kind of annoying. I don't like even looking at the internet on April 1st because of it. But let's dive into the charts here, guys. So let's take a look at the monthly. We did close above the important price level of $65,000 on March for the monthly candle close. Very bullish on the monthly time frames. Market cipher starting to form out here, looking very good above the 60 level. We're in a bull market. Next stop is when we break over the 100 level. When we break over the 100 level, that in my opinion will be a signal to say, okay, we need to be looking at exiting. We need to be looking at taking significant profits off the table. But we are not there just yet. This is a signal that I'm keeping a very close eye on, though, guys. When the higher term time frames start to develop, I'm going to be telling you, I'm going to be flashing my lights at you and turning the sirens on. I'm going to tell you guys, I'm exiting. I'm taking some profit here. I have been taking profit along the way, but really I've been rotating profits into other coins and not really exiting the markets completely. Mainly just rotating to gain more exposure and increase the strength of my portfolio. That being said, the monthly candle close is very important, guys. So far, the month of March, it broke the record. 7 green closure months in a row for Bitcoin. The first time in history. Very incredible stuff. The real question is, guys, what's going to happen in April? The month of the halving. Well, we did just see we got some big wicks to the downside today. I mean, I could say big wicks, but you look at this, it's nothing. It's nothing. This is the daily that we're looking at right now. We did get a little bit of a red dot here for a sell signal. This could potentially disappear here later today. I mean, this was just a big washout. We came down to about 67,800 to be exact, around that level. Flushing out some longs, liquidating some players. The real question is, do we stay pinned here? Do we increase to the upside? The overall stock market, the traditional market, selling off a little bit today as well. Nothing significant. But I do think, guys, that there is a world here where we trade sideways for a significant amount of time. There's a lot of people that are waiting with uncertainty for the Bitcoin halving. 19 days away, guys. 19 days away. This blue line right here, this vertical line, represents the halving. 19 days away. You're going to see the media start to really, really pick it up as we get closer to here. Will it be a sell the news event? Will we rally into it? I lean more towards the idea that it'll probably be a sell the news event, but we really need to see the type of verbiage the mainstream media is saying and talking as we get closer to the halving. If they're being very, very bullish, it's probably a sell the news event. If they're being bearish, it's probably a buy the news event, which is very rare, but we're going to have to see how that plays out as we get closer to that. But right now, guys, these dips are for buying. We're in a bull market. Things are going to continue to the upside throughout the year. There will be shakeouts. There will be sell-offs. There will be times when people will say, oh, I think the bull market's over. Oh, 12K Bitcoin incoming. You're going to see that happen. We're in a bull market. The trend is your friend. I'm going to tell you all the cliches, but it's the truth. The trend is your friend here. The trend is not broken. This wick that came down to 61,000, high or low, things are looking good. Things are looking good. Just because a little bit of red happens because we're not going straight to the moon, people are going to start panicking because they got conditioned to believe that we were going to go straight to the moon since we had these big monthly candles in a row. I mean, guys, we've been rallying since January of 2023, basically, over a year. People are conditioned to say, oh, well, if it's not going straight up, then it's over. But no, consolidation's good. Corrective periods are good. They cool off the RSI. They set us up for a higher move to the upside, bringing us into the bull market for higher price targets for a longer period of time, guys. Be patient. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, check out some awesome referral links we have down below. A $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you got to do is click the link in the description box below. Deposit, trade a little bit, create an account, make some free money. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333 Blacksea. I'm very active over there, doing giveaways here and there, like giving back to you guys. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.